Hi there, this is Bruce with Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning. Today I'm going to walk you through the Lennox S40 Smart Thermostat, one of the most advanced home climate controllers on the market. I'll also highlight what makes this thermostat stand out when paired with the proper equipment. When you're on the home screen, you'll see the current indoor temperature front and center. If your thermostat is connected to Wi-Fi, you'll also see the outdoor temperature and weather forecast. The S40 works with Lennox's Smart Hub and Comfort Sense to learn your system's patterns, and it can even notify you of performance issues before you notice them. That large number you see? That's the feels like temperature, calculated based on both humidity and actual temperature. You can adjust it by tapping on the temperature setting and nudging it up or down. To change system settings, tap System Mode to toggle between heat, cool, auto, off. If your system includes Lennox Pure Air, you'll also be able to control air quality, helping reduce allergens and VOCs. To access more controls, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find access to schedule, settings, system modes, fan, Wi-Fi, alerts. The interface is sleek and easy to use, whether you're tech-savvy or brand new to smart thermostats. It even supports voice control when connected to Alexa or Google Assistant. In the menu, select Fan to choose between Auto, On, or Circulate. Custom fan cycling helps improve air circulation without running your full HVAC system, saving energy while keeping you comfortable. Tap on Schedule to personalize your climate settings throughout the day. You can set custom temperatures for morning, day, evening, and night, create different profiles for weekdays and weekends, easily override or pause schedules when needed. The S40 also learns your preferences and uses adaptive scheduling, saving energy while maintaining comfort. If you haven't already, connect your thermostat to Wi-Fi by going to Wi-Fi Settings. 1. Tap Wi-Fi. 2. Choose your network. 3. Enter your password. 4. Tap Connect. Once online, the thermostat can be monitored and controlled remotely via the Lennox iComfort app, even when you're not home. Download the iComfort app from the Apple or Android App Store, then connect it to your S40. With it, you can adjust temperatures, check energy usage, view system alerts, and monitor air quality, all from your phone. The S40 isn't just a thermostat, it's a smart home hub. It works with the Lennox Smart Air Quality System to integrate temperature, humidity, and air purification. It also supports geofencing, which can automatically adjust your settings based on your location. Ready to upgrade? Call Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning to get your S40 Smart Thermostat today.